So the number one thing that I need to see whenever engaging in a trade is the response at my areas of interest. So price action, to me, they're like little battles. And I always like to think of battles in like, ancient Rome, where you line up legions and they push against each other back and forth. And the responses that really grab my interest, there's two things. One is the absorption reversal. And I always like to think of the analogy where, if you guys ever seen the movie 300 and the Persians are just running at the Spartans and they push right against them, and these Spartans are lined up at the hot gates and they're using their feet to slow down the momentum, and all of a sudden they halt those the Persian advance, and then they push them forward and they just decimate them. They halt this massive push and just drive them back. To me, like when you see absorption reversals happen, like you see like price just like hit like a key spot and you just see massive amounts of volume going off. To me, that's like a bunch of soldiers like ramming against like a defensive line and then being stopped. And then there's a particular recipe where if you could spot it, like you can take a confident trade there and bam, get it.